Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. Today we're taking a look at this 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100RR with 7,231 miles. Powered by a 1077cc engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Tuono puts out 175 horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 88 foot-pounds of torque at 9,000 RPM. It has a seat height of 32.5 inches at a dry weight of 405 pounds. This bike comes equipped with Aprilia traction control, Aprilia wheelie control, Aprilia launch control, Aprilia quick shift, and ABS. It has been upgraded with tank pads, RNG frame covers, and RNG swing arm cover. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.